game from the place.
Started out very bright in the game. We went out into a 1-0 lead. That was basically how we planned it. We know that the St. Catherine team would have tried to possess the ball, but they are not the best ball handling team, even though they wanted to possess it. And so we set up in terms of how we structured in the first line of the press, and we were able to win some balls in the final third of the St. Catherine High School. The first goal, I believe, came as a result of that. But we conceded 2 easy goals. One could say it's easy. However, in the second half, I asked my boys to be a little bit more composed in and around the 18-yard box, and they did just that in scoring 2 goals.
Do you view this season as a success or a failure?
Well, you can look at success on many different levels. We here at Excelsior High School, we are viewing this as a successful season, not only based on what we have done on the pitch. If we should look at what we would have done on the pitch, we would have done much better than what we have done in probably close to a decade in reaching to the quarterfinal of this competition. Now, as it relates to what we would have done off the pitch as well, we would have made significant strides off the pitch as it relates to the discipline of the team. This team is far more disciplined. How the team operates on the field and off the field, you can see there is discipline. And I mean, we have a lot more players coming back next year. The leading goal scorer of this competition, Kimberly Scott, he's going to be coming back next year, and we have a few national players coming back next year. And so the future looks bright here at Excelsior.
We saw the tears, we saw them very upset at this game and at bouncing out of the competition. What did you say to them after the game?
We are proud of them, or the way they came out in the second half, and even in the first half. We are really proud of them. They fought, and we had opportunities to win the game. And so that's all I could have said to them and the rest of the technical staff. We are definitely proud of them and how they played this game. We feel that we can do something in that competition. We are in the competition, so we are there to win the competition as well. And so we're looking, our focus now has to be on the Walker Cup competition, and we're going in there full force trying to win that competition.
And it was supposed to be. Obviously, we believe Excelsior coming and getting some results that we didn't expect. What do you put that down to?
We're not talking about names, we are talking about quality, and whenever you reach to the final 8 of the competition, you are playing against quality team. And despite the history and the tradition of some of these teams in this zone, I mean, Excelsior is the only previous champion from this zone, but that doesn't mean anything. These teams in this zone, they have quality, and they showed it in these fixtures.